Hi YouTubers, this is going to be my annual review of my Frigidaire Gallery 22.1 cubic foot refrigerator. It's going to be a very short video. I don't really have a lot to say about it. I enjoy it, pretty much everything about it. And everything is working as it did from day one. I did have some questions on YouTube about the custom flex temperature drawer, which I will be going over. I did my annual water filter change, and my vegetable filters have been changed as well. It's a pretty strong running refrigerator, but every refrigerator is not built the same, and I will go over that with you too. So, when dealing with the custom flex temperature drawer, your settings are going to be obviously different from the upper refrigerator, and with that you're going to change it from right here on the top of the drawer. You're going to hold this lock button for about 3 seconds. From there, you've got options to select the meat and seafood, cold drinks, deli and snacks, chilled wine, or freezer, and you would just select whichever temperature you want. Let me unlock it again. So from there you'll be able to select which temperatures you want to select. So it's pretty simple, and they tell you what the temperature ratings are going to be. I have mine set to freezer because I overshop when it comes to freezer items, so I had to make more room for my freezer items. I even got my fish food for my cichlids over there. And these are my babies right here. And they love their fish food. They're a little camera shy. So back on topic, every refrigerator is not built the same. So I'm not suggesting anyone to select this particular refrigerator. I anticipate for you to do your own research, make your own decisions, and yeah. And the reason why I'm saying that is because my sister, she has the exact same model that I have, and she has a problem with her freezer ice maker. Her ice maker is making very little ice. She's probably doing like a cup maybe every 10 to 12 hours, which is pretty bad. So it came with a factory defect on there, and currently she's working on repairing that, getting that repaired with the through the warranty. I don't have any information on the status of that just yet, but if I get some information on it, then I will post it to let you know. But other than that, my refrigerator has been running pretty strong. So I got a good one. Not all refrigerators are built the same, even if it's the same brand, same model. Sometimes they might come off the storeroom floor or the warehouse with a minor defect or something like that. So not every fridge is built the same. So make your own judgments and decide for yourself. And that's going to conclude my video, and I thank you for watching.